Alright, today I'm going to show you how you can submit your property through our Google Drive. So first, I'm going to share a Google folder with you with your name in it, like this one. So you just need to double click that folder, and then you will see a spreadsheet where you can submit the property. Just double click again, and there you go. This is a simple spreadsheet like an Excel where you can input all the information regarding the property. So I have here a sample. First thing that we need is street address. All you need to do is copy and paste. City, Decatur. Property owner. If you don't know the property owner, you can just leave it NA. Same as all these contact number and email addresses. So it says here 3 beds, 1 bath. 3 beds, 1 bath. 1164 square foot. Basement. If you don't know, you can just leave unsure or I don't know. As you can see there, carpet or something. Let's see, 1. And under property condition, you can see a drop down menu here where you can choose if this is distressed, abandoned, good, or average. Where judging by the look of this picture, I think this one is abandoned or ugly. And you can leave your remarks at the end of it.